what is the value of x? Okay, since these two lines are parallel, we know that this is equal to 130 degrees. They're corresponding angles, right? And if we draw a line that passes through this point right here and parallel to line M and N, let's draw it like this. So all three lines here are parallel. Then we know that this angle is 70 degrees because this is 70. They're alternate interior angles, right? We also know that this angle is equal to 50, right? Because these two lines are parallel and this is our transversal, then these two angles are consecutive interior angles and their sum is 180, right? So the value of x is equal to 50 plus 70, right? 50 plus 70, which is equal to 120.